Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw a nice dress with hearts.
Let's start drawing.
We're going to draw a nice dress very quickly. Like this. It's going to have short sleeves. How beautiful! And a big skirt like this. Very cute! Add a little hearts at the bottom. Fantastic!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To color, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange. Yellow. Then light green. Light blue. Let's start again with red. Orange. Yellow. And green. Blue. Purple. And pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. And green. Blue. Purple. And pink. Great!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.